Number 1. 1993 Chevrolet 2500, price $9,993. This is a tough and dependable heavy-duty truck, built to handle towing and hauling with ease. It features a factory 7.4L 454 big block V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission, delivering plenty of power for work or everyday driving. With 224,000 miles on the odometer, the truck remains in great running condition, proving its durability over the years. Recently repainted in a fresh green finish, it stands out with a clean and refreshed look, while the beige interior provides a comfortable and classic feel. Equipped with air conditioning, this Chevrolet 2500 ensures a more enjoyable ride in any weather. It runs and drives smoothly, making it a solid option for anyone looking for a capable and reliable truck. Whether for work or as a project vehicle, this classic Chevy is ready for the road. Number 2. 1989 Dodge D250, price $8,000. It has been converted into a W250 with a 12-valve swap, featuring a 1993 V12 valve intercooled diesel engine, E351 turbo, and a GetReg 5-speed manual with a new single-disc clutch. It has a full 4-inch straight pipe exhaust, Kingpin Dana 60 front axle, Dana 70 rear axle with 3.55 gears, and a PA Performance 1-wire alternator. The engine has around 180,000 miles with modifications like a KDP tab, fuel pin, governor spring, and timing bump. The truck runs but has some issues, including a minor fuel leak from the injection pump, a turbo feed line needing an O-ring, and an external head gasket leak. It also needs new window and door seals, mirrors, and wiper arms. The HVAC system, radio, and most factory gauges are non-functional. The original wiring harness was replaced with a fuse block harness. Number 3. 1988 Ford F150, price $3,500, features a reliable straight-six engine paired with an automatic transmission. With just 45,000 miles, it sports a classic green exterior with a tan interior and runs on gasoline. The truck has been on the road for the past 2 months and has received numerous new parts, making it a dependable daily driver. Originally purchased as a bucket list vehicle, the owner is now relocating due to a job transfer and unfortunately cannot take it along. While it runs well, it does have a few minor quirks, just enough to keep things interesting for someone who enjoys tinkering. Overall, it's a solid classic truck with plenty of character. Number 4. 1987 Chevrolet C10, price $5,000. It has 86,000 miles and features an automatic transmission, a silver exterior, and a black interior. It is powered by a GM Goodwrench TBI 350 engine paired with a 700 R4 transmission, making it a reliable classic truck with solid performance. The truck runs and drives well, having been used as a daily driver over the summer. It comes with a collection of new metal panels, including rockers and fenders, to address any rust issues. Additionally, all spare parts, both new and used, will be included with the sale. This C10 is a great project truck with plenty of potential for restoration. Number 5. 1985 Ford F250, price $7,500. This is a well-preserved classic with 128,000 miles on the odometer. It retains its original tan paint, which remains in solid condition with no rust. Equipped with a powerful 460 V8 engine and a durable C6 automatic transmission, this two-wheel drive truck features an 8-foot bed, making it both practical and reliable for hauling or daily driving. Recent maintenance includes a new timing chain and water pump, ensuring the engine runs smoothly. The interior is in excellent condition, with the original seat and dash remaining well kept. Power steering and power brakes add to its ease of handling. This F250 runs and drives great, offering a dependable and classic truck that's ready for work or restoration. Number 6. 1995 Ford F350, price $4,800, long bed 4WD truck with 187,000 miles and a 3-speed automatic transmission. It is powered by a reliable 5.8L 351W V8 engine and features a green exterior with a gray interior. The truck has only surface rust, and the frame has been treated with PR15 for added protection. The dash and carpet have been replaced, and the bed is newer with updated hardware, making it a solid work truck or daily driver. Mechanically, it runs well, though the ABS module light is on. The brakes work fine but will need a module replacement. This is not a show truck, but it is a dependable classic with a rare light-up visor. The wheels shown in the pictures are newer, and the truck is available for $5,700 with the updated wheels and tires. It's a great option for someone looking for a strong, reliable pickup with plenty of potential. Number 7. 1989 Dodge D250, price $6,500. This is an incredibly well-preserved first-generation truck, featuring a Dodge 360 engine and a 4x4 drivetrain. With only 4,800 miles on the odometer, verified with supporting paperwork, this truck is a rare find in such outstanding condition. The automatic transmission ensures smooth driving, while the bold red exterior and matching red interior give it a classic, eye-catching look. The truck has had its engine, transmission, and tires replaced, making it even more reliable for the road. The body is exceptionally clean, with no major wear, making it one of the best examples of its kind. Whether for a collector, an enthusiast, or someone looking for a vintage truck that still runs strong, this D250 is a great option. A true classic, ready to be driven and appreciated. Number 8. 1993 Ford F150, price $7,800, with 200,000 miles, an automatic transmission, a striking red exterior, and a black interior. It runs on gasoline and has undergone several upgrades and repairs, making it a solid choice for a reliable and capable pickup. It features a complete conversion flare kit, dual exhaust with new long headers, and massive 60-inch tires. The entire front-end steering system has been replaced, along with the rear fuel tank and pump. The top of the engine has been rebuilt, including a new timing chain, distributor, water pump, and starter. The truck also has new headlight lenses and updated AC components, though it will need a new evaporator. With a clean title and numerous improvements, this F150 is a great option for someone looking for a tough and upgraded classic Ford truck. Number 9. 1973 Dodge D100, price $5,500. This truck is powered by a 318 V8 engine paired with a 3-speed automatic transmission. With its striking blue exterior and matching blue interior, this classic pickup retains its vintage appeal while benefiting from several new components that enhance its reliability and performance. Recent upgrades include a brand new carburetor, a new gas tank, and a fuel pump. The braking system has also been refreshed, with newly installed rotors and pads, along with previously serviced drums. Additionally, a new master cylinder has been installed, ensuring smooth braking. This Dodge D100 is a well-maintained classic that runs strong and is ready for the road. Number 10. 1997 Chevrolet Silverado, price $6,500. It has been upgraded with a 5.3L engine swap, featuring a new aluminum radiator and dual electric fans to enhance cooling performance. The engine runs strong, but the truck is not currently drivable due to a transmission issue that prevents it from shifting properly. While the exact cause of the issue is unknown, it presents a solid opportunity for someone looking to complete the project. With its sturdy build and upgraded powertrain, this Silverado has great potential for restoration or modification. The body and frame are in good condition, making it an excellent candidate for a performance build or a reliable daily driver with the right transmission work.